If you aim at nothing, you will certainly reach that. One of the best ways to know that you have reached your goal when presenting a lesson to your class is to start with proper planning. A lesson plan will ensure that you stay on track, not just in one lesson you present, but also to ensure that you cover the entire curriculum during the course of a year. Before we start a lesson, we need to go to the relevant curriculum document. This document will direct the content we should be covering during the specific year. The curriculum document will guide you to identify the topic that needs to be covered in your lesson. Once the topic has been identified, we need to describe what the learners should be able to do once the topic has been successfully covered. What the learners should be able to do at the end of the lesson are the outcomes of the lesson. Following this, think about what actions the learners and the teachers need to take in order for the learners to achieve their outcomes. When we identify these actions, we carefully list all the actions in sequence. But how will you know if the learners have successfully achieved the outcomes set for the lesson? Our last step for now will be to consider ways to collect evidence for this. This evidence can come in different formats, but must be assessed against the outcomes set in the lesson. We have now considered the steps to draw up a lesson plan. The table on the screen can be used to capture all the steps in a logical order. In the next activity, you will be asked to complete a lesson plan for a topic that you will be teaching in the next week or two. Wait, just before you end this lesson, do you think that something is missing? Share your thoughts in the coffee shop with the other students. Watch the next video to find out if you have identified the missing element.